Hi, it's Anna with WTI. I had to recently start wearing a CPAP machine, and one of the hardest things with this is to make sure that it gets cleaned regularly. And that mask needs cleaned every single day. So these CPAP wipes by resplabs has been a lifesaver. I can just keep this little container next to my bed every morning when I wake up. I do a little wipe down of the little nose mask, and it is good to go. These things are unscented, so they just have a tiny little clean scent. They're alcohol free, so I don't have to worry about them being harsh. I appreciate that these are smaller than what you imagine as like a regular baby wipe or sanitizing wipe because it allows you to get in all those grooves. It comes as 110, so this will last you for several months, and it seals tight again, so you don't have to worry about them drying out. Also, they're not too moist. They are moist enough to clean it, and then it will dry very quickly. So if you're looking for a way to keep that CPAP machine clean very easily, I highly recommend these wipes, but that's just my point of view.